All right, welcome back to LearnWire. We've got another really good product that it's a weekend showcase product. The last couple products that Max and James have come out with, they usually launch on Saturdays or Sundays. And so that's why I'm bringing this video to you today. So I'm going to go over the training. I've already went through the entire training. And I wouldn't be bringing this product to you if I didn't think it was legit and helpful to you. Now, who will this product be for? It's going to be if you are struggling to make money online and you are looking for a business model that is extremely easy, that you can use AI to create the videos and so forth, this is something that you're going to want to pay attention to. Of course, this is anonymous AI, so obviously it's going to be about faceless video creation and traffic. Now, I specialize in faceless YouTube. I have multiple channels and then LearnWire, this is no exception, right? I don't show my face on this channel and I have a lot of success. This channel alone makes me over six figures per year. That's $100,000 from just a faceless YouTube channel. So I know that this stuff works if taught properly. These guys, Max and James, really are crushing it on Wire Plus. And if that's something that you wanted to get into, then these guys would be the people you would want to follow and learn from. But this particular product that they've come out with is very much has to do with what Max has been doing and what he specializes in, which is TikTok, okay? So he's going to show you in this product how to create and grow your TikTok account, and more specifically has to do with TikTok affiliate, the TikTok shop and affiliate marketing with TikTok, okay? So you can go and check out the whole page here, but really what I'm going to do, they have proof of income on TikTok right here and so forth. We know the drill. These pages are hyped up. I know you guys are a smart audience, so I'm not going to go over this. I could probably pick this sales page apart, but I can tell you that I have full access, and I wouldn't, like I said, be bringing this to you. I think that Max and James create good products, and they're mostly training based. So it is a business in a box. So you don't buy any of these products and then just let them sit on your computer. They're not going to make you money. If you buy the product and then you don't do anything with it or take action on what they're teaching you, then you're not going to make money. And that's where a lot of people fail, and they just think that it's a bad product or something like that. But that's not the case with this. When you come in here to Anonymous, you're going to have all of the training that you possibly need, from the introduction right over here. Max and James, they're a team, they're partners, and they are on the same page with this, but they're going to take you all the way through an overview of the concept, why this in this moment, don't want to miss out on this. TikTok is blowing up. It's just barely even starting to start blowing up. And we feel like it's been blowing up for the last 5 years, but it's not going to quit. They're starting to create a lot of different ways, including the TikTok shop down here. That is a new way to make money on the platform. And then there's also TikTok shop affiliate right over here as well. They're going to show you how to set all that up. They've got income proof over here as well. They're going to take you step by step on every step of the way, how to set it up properly, how to apply. And then one of my favorite parts of the training is that they go into the secret hack that allows you to become a TikTok shop affiliate without the 5,000 follower requirement. This applies to United States folks. In the United States, you are required to have 5,000 followers on your TikTok account before you can apply and get accepted into the affiliate program. So they have a way to bypass that. So really good stuff. This is a massive course. Look at this. You get a lot of stuff in here. They're going to teach you how to create AI videos with AI characters right here. They're going to teach you how you can create products and create your own products right over here. And then you can actually hook that up with Printful. You can actually sell your own products. You can actually get affiliates to sell your product for you as well, to get free traffic on TikTok. But then you can also go out and just promote other people's products and create AI videos and so forth. So this is a complete course right here. I have gone through most of the training right over here. It's totally legit. This is a way that you can go out in a business model that if you take serious in 2024, Right now, you take this anonymous AI and you take it serious. You watch the whole course. I recommend watching it twice. Watch the first one without taking notes or anything. Just watch it like you're watching a movie. And then the second time, go through it with your notepad out and implement everything step by step. Okay. Absolutely. This is really, really a great product. You want to pick it up because this is super, super cool, because I have the best bonuses that you're going to get. I have worked with Max to put this special thing together for you guys. I've been in conversations with him all day, and I said, hey, you're crushing it on TikTok, and this is his thing. This is what he would be an expert at with TikTok. And I said, hey, I noticed that you also, where's the screenshot over here? So this is how this began. This is how I talk with people. I actually asked him, hey, I noticed on the sales page that there is $102 on Warrior Plus. I know screenshots, right? I make a decent money on Warrior Plus as well. And I said, where'd that 102,000 come from? And are you making any of that from TikTok, sending traffic to Warrior Plus products? And he said, absolutely. He makes a lot of money from TikTok, sending affiliate traffic and so forth. And so that's where these other trainings are going to be important. I'm going to go ahead and share that with you right now. We have, if you decide that this is something that you want to do, right? Obviously, I know that if you're in small business and maybe you're doing niche site building, maybe you are really into software and so forth, maybe this is just not the offer for you. Cool, no problem. You can skip off the video. But if you are someone that finds yourself like stuck and just buying product after product, and you just don't know what to like cement and plant your feet into and get into and just go for it, you need to pick a business model and you need to give it a year. You need to go and start publishing. And I watched Max's upgrades, and I'm going to share those with you right now, what you would actually get if you purchase this product from me, because you're going to get 3 premium courses. You're going to get, if you purchase Anonymous AI, you're going to get Anonymous AI, right? Cool. That's great. You already saw that. It's a massive course and training product that's going to get you going on TikTok. But then I have 2 incredible bonuses. They're full premium courses that Max is going to only for you guys on LearnWire. I have teamed up with Max right here. And if you buy Anonymous AI with the link below, you're going to get TikTok Revolution. That's a $12 value. Like, that is a full course that they've sold before. You're going to get access to that. I've already preloaded that in Warrior Plus. So if you buy Anonymous AI right now, you're going to get access immediately to this. And I'm going to show you the inside of this, so you can see the training, the advanced training you're going to get with that, because this is going to be additional TikTok, and this is going to be very related to affiliate, like what to do with how to grow your TikTok account and what to do with that traffic that you're getting. How you can send affiliate traffic and make sales on Warrior Plus, how to pick out products, how to grow your YouTube channel with sending people from TikTok, all kinds of good stuff, how to build your email list. There's all kinds of good stuff in there. And then here is the really cool thing. If you buy Anonymous AI, you're going to get this free bonus right here. Boom. Okay. So I've got that out. That is a course from Max. And then if you buy 1 OTO, so I can tell you there's 7 OTOs. I know that's a lot. I'm going to share with you the ones that Max recommended. I actually asked him, hey, what's your favorite OTOs? There's 7 of these. Which ones would you recommend to my audience to actually be interested in and possibly purchase? Okay, so I have that information for you as well. But right over here, if you pick this up and you buy 1 OTO out of the 7, just one, right? And it can even be the cheapest one, then you're going to get Revolution Intermediate Upgrade. So you're going to get TikTok Revolution Intermediate Upgrade. This is a $49 value right there. So I'm going to go and show you that right now. We have TikTok Revolution is right here. This is the inside of TikTok Revolution right over here. And I just want to zoom in just to show you that Max does know what he's talking about when it comes to TikTok. We've got Max right over here. This is 44,000. I haven't even checked this out because I think this is course is over 6 months old. He's probably got more than followers than that, but this is somebody that definitely knows how to grow a TikTok account. He's had a video with over 1 million, and he's in the make money online niche. And he's had videos with over 1 million views on TikTok. So that's definitely enough to gain ground and momentum and build a business using TikTok. Okay. So you're going to get all this stuff like how to get this profile picture, how to set your bio up, how to do Q&As. I didn't even know anything about Q&As, but there's a section over here where people can click on there and ask you questions. And then you can just make quick videos answering people's questions. And it's a great way to build your TikTok account. But we have case studies and we have viral formula right over here. A lot of piggybacking, how to piggyback, engagement, pinning videos, sending people to your TikTok bio. So you're going to get advanced training with this course, but then check it out. Remember that if you want to take it to even the next level, you buy one OTO from me and you're going to get a $49 product, because when we come down here and we look at the OTOs from TikTok Revolution, when we come over here, look at the OTO right over here. You're going to get intermediate training right over here. And if you go and click on this TikTok Revolution right over here, this is this upgrade. It is a $49 product. So if you wanted to go out and pick this product up right now, you would have to pay $49 for it. So this is real world value. You guys know me. I don't inflate things. Everything is transparency right here. Yeah. You know what? Guess what? I am pushing this product to you. You don't have to buy this product. And believe me, if you don't have money to buy this product, don't buy this product. But like I said, if you are looking for a business model and you want this content, it's put together very nicely for you, then this is a good product. And like I said, I don't come over here and tell you $500 OTO values or my bonuses are worth $1 million. You guys have seen that plenty of times, right? I'm telling you the real world value of this is about $55 right here. You're going to get these real courses right over here by Max. And this is the intermediate right here. And this is where it really gets good. You can see all this stuff right over here. How to monetize on TikTok. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos right there. And then you 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 videos on, if you take Anonymous AI and then you take TikTok Revolution right over here, and then you take the TikTok Revolution Intermediate, you're going to have probably 5 or 6 hours of TikTok expertise from someone that is making a lot of money on TikTok. You're going to be able to go out there and start building. And he gives you a game plan. He tells you how many videos you should post per day, all that kind of good stuff. I went and zoomed through all of these today. I did watch them really fast, like on 1.75 speed, because that's the only way I would be able to get through that much content very quickly. But I got through a lot of the content, and I definitely think that it is worth picking up. So let me go back over here. So I just want to be clear one more time. If you pick up Anonymous AI, go check it out, right? If it's for you or not. Remember, you do not have to record your face on camera anymore. You can create AI avatars. You can create a screen. You can record your screen and not have to be on camera at all. That's what the whole point of Anonymous AI is. And then also coupled with these TikTok upgrade courses right over here, this whole thing, if you just take this, I firmly believe if you just take this content right here and then you make 2024 the year that you went out and crushed it on TikTok, this could be the year that you break out and actually start making money online. Okay, so this is for people that are lost or don't have direction on what they want to do with their business model. They don't have money to go and hire a developer to start up a big fancy software company. There's a lot of things that you can't do if you don't have money to start up. This is one of them that, other than the cost of these courses, which is pennies compared to creating a real business, or creating a brick and mortar business or anything like that, or software development, right? This is pennies on the dollar, and you will have the knowledge to be able to go out there and build a real business, affiliate marketing business, super cool stuff. So I just wanted to be clear. You pick up Anonymous AI, you're going to immediately get TikTok Revolution. That's already preloaded. You're going to get access to that instantly. And then if you buy one OTO during this Anonymous AI, there's 7 of them. You just pick one, then you're going to get a $49 upgrade, which is the TikTok Revolution Intermediate. It's the next upgrade of that product, okay? Just to be clear. And then last but not least, guys, recommended OTOs to pick up. This is from Max himself. I put him on the spot today and I said, I'm not going to show you the conversation just because I don't think that's right, because we were having a private conversation. But I will say that I did put him on the spot and I said, hey, I asked him, what are your prices on these? And I also, because I know you guys always have these questions, I'm not going to go over OTO 1 through 5. There's one in there that's like a done for you system. There's a social media done for you package. There's a YouTube done for you package where they're going to get you views, likes, comments, and subscribers and all kinds of good stuff. That's like on the OTO 1, right? But Max said OTO 6, the reseller rights for anonymous AI, he would recommend that one. And that's because a lot of you are going to be new at this, right? You're not going to be seasoned affiliates like myself, where I get auto approved for any product that I want to promote. You have to start somewhere. This would allow you, this reseller rights allow you to sell anonymous AI as if it's your own product. You get to go out there for the next 6 months or a year and just use this as your own product. And I believe if you buy this reseller rights, you get to keep 100% of the profits. So it's a no-brainer. You pay $97 for someone to hand you a massive training course that's proven, that has income proof and everything. This is great. So I do agree with this, especially if you don't have any other products to sell, then this would definitely be a really good one to pick up. It's $97. And then OTO 7 is Expert AI Tool Bundle, $97. I watched their sales page on that as well. And basically they have a bunch of AI tools. I don't know, I haven't seen them, but they're AI softwares that there was one in there that's an e-commerce that automatically uploads product for you and they went through a list of 7 different products that they have created that are AI products that help them in their business on a daily basis, sales page creators, all kinds of good stuff. So this is the other one. So these are the 2 that Max suggested. OTO 6 and OTO 7 is what he recommended. Okay. So I'm going to close there. I just want to get this information out there and give you guys the chance to go and get this product right over here that I went through. And the upgrades over here are insane. I was going to make, you guys know I make the best bonus product and best bonus content out there. I was going to make my own. But then I asked him, hey, I started talking with him and stuff, and I was able to secure these bonuses for you if you buy from my link. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Go pick up Anonymous AI and go and build your TikTok accounts, learn how to do it, and make 2024 the year that you go out and crush it and start making real money. Let's set a goal for yourself. Start making $500 a month from this. Start making $1,000 a month and start building a real business. This is one of those things where if you pick this up, you have to promise that you're going to actually take action, because you need to take action on this. No one's going to do the work for you. No one's going to do this for you. You've got to take action on this. This is the information. You have to pay for knowledge. You have to pay to go to college. You have to pay for school. You can go out and try to learn all this stuff on YouTube for free. And I laugh at people that say that you should get free content all the time and everything should just be handed to you for free. That's just not the case. This is all bundled up. Step 1, step 2, step 3. From A to Z, it's bundled up for you for a very low price. Go out there, get this, and go out there and crush it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.